Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs for PPSC Zoology. As you all know, the date for PPSC Zoology exam is announced and now you have to prepare it heartedly. So let's start. First one is ornithology is the option A, study of bones, option B, study of birds, option C, study of smells, option D, none of the above. So basically ornithology is the study of birds. Option B. The common pesticides which are in use consist of option A, PCB, option B, organochlorines, option C, olefins, option D, heterocyclic compounds. The common pesticides which are in use consist of olefins. Option C. The increased use of groundwater for irrigation purposes has led to option A, salinization, option B, lowering of water table, option C, waterlogging, option D, all of the above. So the increased use of groundwater for irrigation purpose has led to salinization, lowering of water table and waterlogging. Option D is true. The number of chromosomes in human body is option A 42, option B 44, option C 46, option D 48. So number of chromosomes in human body is 46. Pine, fir, spruce, cedar, larch, cypress are the famous timber yielding plants, of which several also occur widely in the hilly region of India. All these belong to option A, angiosperms, option B, gymnosperms, option C, monocotyledons, option D, dicotyledons. So the correct option is option B, gymnosperms. Plant synthesis protein from option A, starch, option B, sugar, option C, amino acids, option D, fatty acids. So plant synthesis protein from amino acids. Option C is correct. Most highly intelligent mammals are. So the highly intelligent mammals are option A, whales, option B, dolphins, option C, elephants, option D, kangaroos. So highly intelligent mammals are dolphins, option B. Pyorrhea is a disease of option A, nose, option B, gums, option C, heart, option D, lungs. So pyorrhea is a disease of gums, option B. Neurospora is used as genetic material because option A, it has short life cycle of 10 days, option B, the product of single meiosis can be easily analyzed, option C, meiotic products are linearly arranged in the form of ordered tetrads, option D, is a diploid fungus. Neurospora is used as genetic material because it has short life cycle of 10 days. Option A is true. Most of the red, blue and purple colors of plants are due to pigment called anthocyanin, carotene, chlorophyll, xanthophyll. So the red, blue and purple color are due to anthocyanin. Option A. Which of the following act as a channel of transmission of blood to the heart in the human body? Option A, arteries. Option B, muscle fibers. Option C, nerves. Option D, veins. So which of the following act as channel of transmission of blood to the heart in the human body is option D, veins. The best way to tackle local environmental problem is to option A, use the local administrative machinery. Option B, implement environmental laws strictly. Option C, provide environmental education to the local people and create awareness. Option D, leave it to the local public to decide. So, the best way to tackle environmental problems is to provide environmental education to the local people and create awareness. Option C is true. The influx of domestic sewage containing detergents cause nutrient enrichment in water bodies due to presence of option A, carbonates. Option B, nitrates. Option C, phosphates. Option D, silicates. So the influx of domestic sewage containing detergents cause nutrient enrichment in water bodies due to presence of phosphates. Option C is correct. The RH factor refers to option A, a protein substance found in the blood of some people, a hormone carried by the blood. Option C is the ratio of red corpuscles to white corpuscles in the blood. Option D, a process that speeds up the clotting. So here is the spelling mistake, it's word clotting of blood. So the RH factor refers to a protein substance found in the blood of some people. Option A is true. When there is a decrease in concentration of oxygen in blood, the breathing rate, option A, increases. Option B, decreases. Option C, first increase then decrease. Option D, it is not affected. When there is decrease in the concentration of oxygen in the blood, the breathing rate increases. Option A. The type of root system of all of the following is tap root system, except that of mango tree, kitchener tree, sunflower plant, maize plant. So, except that of maize plant. Option D. First human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Barnard on Louis Vashkansky was conducted in option A, 1967, option B, 1968, option C, 1958, option D, 1922. So the first heart transplant operation was conducted in 1967, option A. Excessive secretion from the pituitary gland in the children results in option A, increased height, option B, retarded growth, option C, weakening of bones, option D, none of the above. So excessive secretions from the pituitary gland in the children results in increased height, option A. In certain disease, antibiotics are administered. The object is stimulate the production of white blood cells, option A. Option B is stimulate production of antibodies. Option C is inhibit the growth of bacteria. Option D is produce toxins against bacteria. So antibiotics are administered. The main object is to inhibit the growth of bacteria. Option C is true. Eugenics is the study of option A, altering human beings by changing their genetic components. Option B, people of European origin. Option C, different races of mankind. Option D, genetics of plants. So eugenics is the study of altering human beings by changing their genetic components. Option A is correct. In a normal human being, how much time does food take to reach the end of intestine for complete absorption? Option A, about 8 hours. Option B, about 12 hours. Option C, about 16 hours. Option D, about 18 hours. So the correct option is option B, about 12 hours. Ringworm is due to. Ringworm is a disease basically, which is due to option A, virus, option B, bacteria, protozoa, option C, bacteria, option D, fungus. So ringworm is actually due to fungus. Option D is correct. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the human body? Option A, C, option B, B, option C, D, option D, A. So which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the human body is option D. Option C, having the point of D. The credit of developing the polio vaccine goes to John Salk, L.B. Sabin, J.L. Baird, Perkins. So the credit of development of polio vaccines goes to John Salk. Option A is correct. Insulin controls the metabolism of option A, sugar, option B, fats, option C, protein, option D, salts. Insulin controls the metabolism of sugars. Of the blood group AB and O, which one is transfused into the person whose blood group is A? Group A only, group B only, group A and O, group AB only. So it is transfused with group A and O. Option C is correct. Photophobia is option A disease caused by too much sunlight, abnormal intolerance of light, adjustment of eye for light, the ability to perceive light. So actually the photophobia is abnormal intolerance of light. Option B is correct.